Plug in the USB port and press the power button to turn on the device. Press the power button directly if the device has power. Turn on Wi-Fi and find the Wi-Fi starting with Xiaozhi. After clicking, it will automatically redirect to a web page. Find your own 2.4G Wi-Fi network below. The Wi-Fi must be 2.4G, otherwise, it cannot be detected. Click and enter your Wi-Fi password. This screen appears to indicate that the Wi-Fi connection is successful. Open Xiaozhi's official website on your phone or computer. Click Console. Enter your phone number and fill in the verification code. Click to send SMS verification code. Enter the mobile verification code. Click Confirm. Click to start using. The clock wallpaper interface also serves as Xiaozhi's standby mode. To start a new conversation, press the button to wake it up or use the voice command Hi, ESP.
Hi, ESP.
Wake up is also available via tap on the touch-enabled version. If some customers often omit Hi and directly say ESP, the device cannot be woken up. Button function demo. After completing the steps, you will automatically be redirected to the clock screen. Press once to switch to the listening interface. Press again to switch to the time wallpaper. You can also enter the Xiaozhi interface by voice.
你好，小智。
Double press on the clock wallpaper interface to switch wallpapers. GIF playback tutorial SD card required. Press and hold the button you just pressed for 10 seconds. It will automatically redirect to the GIF playback interface. Press and hold for 3 seconds again to return to the initial screen.